is to get everyone started with a programming language so they can solve the questions on courtship and attend the contest that we are planning to host in the next 2 months. Okay, so next up we have the curriculum. So we'll start from the very basics in coordinate, like the most basic things you have, like starting from output, taking inputs, and then we'll move on. Uh, we'll have some assignments as well so that you can practice, because without practice you can't master any concept, no matter how many books you read or how many videos you attend. It is meaningless if you don't practice. So our curriculum is, first we'll teach the theory, then we'll practice some questions, and then if you have doubts we'll solve that, and then we'll move ahead. Okay, so next up is the schedule. So we have planned our classes from on every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, from 6 to 7. So if you're interested in joining those, then you will join on the weekends, 6 to 7 p.m. Fine. So if you have any questions till here, you can drop them in the chat. Okay, so I see no questions, so I think we can move ahead. Fine. Okay, so scope of the event. So by scope, I mean like uh, every detail, like how you'd approach this event, what you need to do, what we will do, and any other things that you might have doubts. So first, like how you need to approach this event is like uh, you have to just think that we are gonna learn something, and keep your mind clear. Don't think like okay, maybe if my question is too silly and if I ask this my peers will laugh on me. No, I'm not your teacher, or any other who will take the any other people who will take the workshops is not your teacher. So we are all like uh, what can I say, college mates, and so you can ask anything you want in those workshops freely. So that's one thing. And also accepting your mistakes. So if you make a mistake, then you have to accept it, that yes, I've made a mistake, and you have to tell them to your peers or whoever is solving those doubts, and then you can solve. So the first part of solving a mistake is to accept the mistake. So that's it. What we will do, we'll try whatever we know, we'll try to teach you. Okay, so that's from our side. So that ends the scope of the event. You will know the topics we'll teach each day. Before each weekend, you'll know what topics we're going to cover that weekend, so that won't be an issue. And I think that's all from my side. Next up, Kajal will take over and guide you through the rest of the uh, m- events. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sohag. So now we'll be talking about the myths that we have heard from many of our juniors, and also like people from our batch. And I like to call Manish and Pawan as well to talk about the myths and facts. Okay, I want people to note down some of the things you have heard in your class. Like some people might say that this language is good, this language gives me like faster output, or anything like that you have heard or you want to share.
Yeah, you can even unmute yourself because this is day zero and we are not conducting any class today. We are just here to share the agenda of our events of the but of these 3 months.
Yeah.
That's it. Like you can like unmute or write it on chat, like whatever the myths are there, so that we can bust it and from you can start it from fresh.
Yeah, and you will get to know about the facts.
Okay, Kajal, I guess we have some myths, so you can start with that. Then we'll move on to if they have any.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay,
We can also
first,
check the like forms. We received few of them, I guess.
yes, yes. Okay, first myth, one of the myths that I came across, just a few weeks ago was that Python is faster than C++. Sorry, this myth, literally, this made me laugh. And not only me, like most of our seniors and most of my batchmates had a great laugh at this myth. Like, uh, you know, Python is 4x slower than C++. And that's like most of it is because it calls a lot of libraries and also other facts, but you can never say that C++ takes 3 minutes to run a program.
uh, for everyone information, like it may take, but it needs to have a huge database, like
Yeah.
maybe in TBs. Yeah, then only it can take around 3 minutes, I guess. So you want to add anything?
No, not really. I think this was one of the like most simple missed
Biggest myth.
first. I guess it's the most simple, like most non-complex myth to bust. So it's a fact that C++ is faster than
Yeah.
Python. No arguments on that.
Yep.
Okay, so someone said DSA should be learned in which language? So basically, for DSA there is no language. Okay, like in every language the logic will be same. Only there will be a difference in the syntax. So for DSA you can choose any language, but mostly our teachers prefer to teach us in C because it's the most basic language. And if you learn DSA in C, then you will be able to apply it in any language. Uh, Next we have how can I benefit myself from here? See, as Suhag said, like most of you think that this will be a coding contest or there will be events which might like bigger events which might take you to be a pro to participate, but it's not like that. We'll be planning the basic structure for everyone so that everyone can participate and learn from this whole 3 months long sprint. Also, there will be assignment, as Suhag said, there will be assignments, there will be mini contests like beginner type of contests, and you will be taught everything from scratch. So you don't need to have prior knowledge of anything. Even if you are a very much beginner, you will learn something from here. We can assure you. Um,
Okay, Kajal, you just move on another questions. I
yeah,
just
we
want
can
to
talk.
add few things here. So as Kajal said, like we have contest and we have assignments also. So let me tell you, if you do regular assignments and we can track your attendance was also good, then we will reward you with some certificates, and also we have some goodies for you. So make sure you join every event, or if you see that these topics are already covered for you, so you can skip those, but you need to complete the assignments. Okay, and also need to participate in the contest we are going to organize in future. Like, yeah, after this particular month we are going to organize some mini contest and all, so make sure you are participating there. Yeah, Kajal.
Hmm. Okay, so we can move on now. Icebreakers. So I guess Manish would like to take this up.
Yeah, okay. So icebreaker is something like where we want to interact with you all. So basically, my question, there is a question which I want to ask you all. You can write it on chat, or maybe if you have a bigger description or something you want to explain, you can unmute yourself. So the question is like, which programming language you want to learn or you prefer to code in. If you don't know anything about coding, you can just randomly pick one, and you just need to say why you picked that language. It may be Python, C, C++, whatever you want. Like, this is just a question. Like, you can type it on chat also, like which programming language you prefer and why. That's it. Okay, Python, C, and Java. Like, Just tell, yeah, Apurup is right. CPP because execution time. Python cause I think it's future. Okay. And Python C++ because it's fast. Okay. I prefer Python and C++. Java because I did it earlier. Okay. Honest answer. Java reason because I could use this for app development as well. True.
You can also use it
HTML.
for
Okay,
backend.
okay, 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 okay. This is also a myth. Like HTML is not a programming language. It's just a markup language, you can say. It used for web development only. You can't build something like software and all with HTML because it's not a programming language. Okay. So it's also a myth. So make sure you can clear out here. BlueJ.
Um,
So Doyle, if you're doing on BlueJ, don't do it. Like it's
no,
good
wait a
till
minute.
school.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
yeah, yeah.
BlueJ is
Kajal will
not a
answer about it.
language.
Yeah, yeah,
BlueJ is
yeah.
not a programming language.
Okay.
It's just you can just call it an IDE. It's not a programming language.
Okay, I never used it. My bad.
Yeah,
Okay. Java
actually.
because it's used more widely. Okay. Mm, Java because I have a good
Python
knowledge
is
in
also
it.
used widely.
Hmm. Yeah, everything is. You can't say that C++ not using widely. For choosing any language over the other, we need to know all language. But still, I choose Java as I spend more time with Java. Okay, cool. Uh, Python cause I have some basic knowledge in it. Good. Python, that's the thing I'm learning right now. I don't know which is better. Yeah, there is nothing like this is better or this is not better or this is not good. Every language has their own pros and cons. You can't say that C++ is the best language or Python is the best language. Like every language has its own pros and cons. Okay. So we can discuss those two, but not here in this session. But of course, we can discuss in on the Discord server if you want. Also, I want to tell you, like, we will have regular doubt sessions because as you are learning here, we have only 1 hour. So, we can't take every doubts. So you can always reach out to us on the Discord server so that we have also created some channels for you. So you can drop your doubts there. We will happy to take it. And also we are creating voice channels. So you can come up with your like queries or doubts if you want to share your screen and all. Okay. See, because I do it early in school. Okay, Avinash. Okay. What is ID? Okay, so I've answered all. I guess it's better. Kajal, we can move ahead.
Yeah, sure. So that's it for the icebreakers. Now, moving on, we'll be starting with the environment setup. So I hope everyone has downloaded the two files and everyone is ready in front of their laptops or their computers. I just want you to send a yes or no in the chat box.
Yeah, you can also say if you
Yes.
need some 2-3 minutes more to set up or something. Yeah, we are getting yes. Wait a minute, okay.
Okay, we'll wait a minute.
Okay, I guess we have Kajal time, so we can wait for 2-3 minutes. No, just a minute, okay. It's downloaded. Sakshi, you need to download softwares which we have already given. Like I'm pasting the links again, so like you will going to
Yes,
practice here
Supratik,
only.
we are installing the GCC.
If you have not already installed, you need to install it. And also we are going to use VS Code. So it preferred that you download VS Code if you are not using any ID. But yeah, if you are already familiar with any other ID and you want to continue with that, you can. Like any ID will work. Even Notepad will work. It's totally up to you what you want to use. Okay.
I'll just be showing how to install and set up VS Code for the very beginners. So if you all are already using VS Code, you can just wait for a few minutes. Then we will start MingGW installation. I hope we can start now. Just let me know if everyone is done.
Yes, Pratyush, basic PC will work. Like not only for beginners, for everyone, basic PCs work. But it's totally depend upon your work, like what you want to do with that. If you are doing for only for assignments and class and this coding stuff, it's more than enough. Like people, I know people are used to say that this PC will work and this needs more high specifications, but yeah, that doesn't require. Like all those are, if you have money, you can buy. If you don't, you just don't try to get one. Like basic will work. That is more than enough, I can say. I hope you have already installed, so you can follow Kajal now.
Okay, if you have installed, now click on the Visual Studio Code thing. Click on the link. After downloading, you will find this link in the download section. Just click on this .exe file, and then you will see this pop up. Uh, I hope everyone has reached this point. Okay, once you see this window, click on I accept the agreement and click on next.
Can you repeat the process?
Okay, I'm going back. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. After that, if you want, you can create a desktop icon. I mostly prefer to create a desktop icon so that as soon as I switch on my laptop, it's just in front of me. So you can create a desktop icon, leave the rest as they are, and then click on next again. After that, click on install. Since it's already installed in my laptop, I won't be installing it again. You just have to click on install and everything will be set up for Visual Studio Code. Uh, uh, do it till here, then I'll tell you the rest of the things. Sorry, I'm a little late to set up my PC. You repeat once. Okay, Tamina, sorry. I can go back. Once you have downloaded the VS Code installer, just click on the .exe file. This window will pop up. Click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Click on create a desktop icon. Leave the rest as they are. Then click on next and install. If everyone has done till here, then just give a yes or no in the chat.
The क्या कहते
Okay,
हैं,
she has done.
Kajal, yeah.
Okay, so now we can move on to. Okay, before going to set up Visual Studio, I would like to install the MingGW first. So click on the minggw.exe file please, and then you will see this install button. Click on install. You have to remember this installation directory. Okay, if it's anything else other than c dot slash minggw, you can change it to this one, or you can keep it like that. Just remember where it is in your file. Okay. No, Demalya, haven't you done? See, if you are not understanding anything, you can come up to us on our Discord or WhatsApp. We will help you again. For now, since majority of the people have already done this, we will be moving on. Okay. Okay. For
Okay,
this,
what you want to get repeated? Like just click on the MinGW software. That is a file you have just downloaded, mingw.exe. Just click on it and click next. That's it.
Just click on the file and click install. Then remember this directory, or you can just copy this. Click on this and copy. Okay. Then click on continue. Wait. Okay. For me, like it's already installed, so it's showing this. For you,
Kajal,
it
do
will
one
be
thing.
installed.
Kajal, do one thing. Just change the directory. It will work.
Okay, wait.
Hmm.
A while. Oh, wait.
Mhm.
Change. Let me install it
Yeah,
in the
maybe.
desktop.
Yeah. You guys just follow the simple steps. Just click on next, 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 and continue. That's it, and stop there.
Yep. It will take
Don't do
a few
anything.
minutes.
Yeah. Don't do anything. Just next, next, next. Don't change any directory and whatever she did. Okay. I hope you are following her.
It will take a few minutes. Till then, we can wait. Okay, Shine is done. Anyone else who has done? All you have to do. Yep, exactly. Okay, so it's done for me. What about others? Anirban done. Done. Okay, after this, no next option. It says directly to install. Yeah, click on install. Yeah, click on install, Koina. Click on install. Then it will show continue. Click on continue.
Yeah.
Okay, we can wait for 2 minutes because this selection process they need to see. Yeah, good. You will see the same screen, which is called MingGW Installation Manager after installation. MingGW, yeah, Diya, you will
Yeah.
see
Just wait here.
MingGW
Just wait here.
Installation Manager. Koina, if it's done, just let me know. We'll continue. Okay, since most of you have done, we shall move on. Okay, you might be seeing these packages there. Click on the second one, mark for installation, and the fifth one and mark for installation. See, the second one is a basic MingGW installation, and the fifth one is the GNU C++ compiler. You need both of them for your C++ and C programs to compile and run. Just click on these and mark for installation. You don't need rest of the packages.
Kajal, second last. I guess it's required.
It will work without that as well.
Okay, maybe I have installed.
We can
Oh,
take
not
we can take it if you want.
okay.
You can take this one also, the second last one also. Okay, so the second one, the fifth one, and the sixth one. I guess few people are in the waiting room. Can you guys allow them? Can you please check, Manish?
No, actually
Actually, there is
everyone
no
is
waiting
allowed
room.
to start. Yeah, there is no waiting room.
Exactly.
Okay.
There is no waiting room. Ask them to refresh or do something. This is happening because of Teams only. Like we are using college ID and you are joining from your personal ID. That's why this is happening.
Maybe.
Like, hmm
Okay, Doyle, click on the second one, mark for installation. I've already marked, that's why I'm getting this unmarked one. Then the fifth one and the sixth one. Do the same for them also. Click on them, click on the box, mark for installation. That's it. Yeah. After you have clicked on these three, go to installation and click on update catalog. Then review changes and apply. It will take time to install all the packages. Till then, just let me know that you understood till now. Okay, you don't just have to understand, you have to do this procedure. Just give me a thumbs up or a done in the chat if you have done this. Like if if you can see this screen in your PC or laptop. After clicking those, you have to go to the installation at the top. You will see installation. Click on that, and then you can directly apply the changes, or you can go to review changes, and then you can click on apply. Update the catalog. Abhinash, after you have selected, go to installation, click on update the catalog, then review changes, and then click on apply. That's it.
Yeah, if it's showing that all changes are applied successfully, then it's done. To check that it's done, you just okay, Kajal will do.
Okay, 1 minute. Devanshu, if you are seeing a lot of packages, just check on the left side box, click on basic setup. You will see only these packages then. Should I click the close button?
No, wait,
If your
Neeraj.
packages, yeah.
Just first check it. Like go to CMD. Kajal,
Wait,
you're
I'll
going to
show
take it,
that
right?
if this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll
That's
show.
why I'm not telling. Just wait, Nirakshi, I guess. Yeah.
Before you close this whole window, just wait for a few minutes.
Okay, one more thing. Anyone of you here using Linux or something? Like because this type of installation won't work in Linux or Ubuntu.
Yeah. For Linux and Mac OS, you can come to us on a Discord.
Hmm.
Manish will help you with that.
Yeah. I guess there is no one who's
Actually,
using. Yeah. Pawan.
Hello?
actually, I was saying that we don't need any such type of installation for Linux or Mac.
That's
Okay.
also
Yeah.
true.
Linux.
Arga, if you are using Mac, you can wait after the event. You can come to us in the Discord server.
I'm
Uh,
Max. I totally confused.
just, uh,
Okay. Lots of
okay,
Mac
actually,
users.
you can wait.
Yeah.
This process is just for Windows. Please check your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, how many of you have already installed it? Like my network is too slow, I guess. I've completed on Mac and downloaded extension pack for Java. That's great.
Java, but Java.
Oh no,
Why
Ari,
Java?
he's talking about himself. He said na he loves Java because he can do app
Okay,
development with
okay.
it. Acha, why am I waiting? If everyone is done already, then we can move on because I already have it in my PC.
Yeah, you can just open. Let them know like what is command prompt and CMD. Like
Yeah,
they are
that I'll
basic
show that
confusion.
to them. Hmm. Let me know if it's installed in your PC because I can see my network is running too slow. Not yet. Okay. चलो सब साथ में ही है.
It will take time. नहीं नहीं नेट स्लो नहीं
Okay,
है सबका ऐसा
I
ही है.
know this 6 MB and this 13 MB takes a lot of time.
Actually, the problem is this particular GCC compiler is too old. Like it's not yet updated after 2013.
Yeah.
So the server is slow. Not an issue.
But this is easy to install.
Yeah, that's also true.
Okay, I'll wait till it's done on mine as well. Please pin the link. You can try. Link.
Array, actually, I have already shared it on Discord also, so you can check, or I can just paste it again. Wait. Is there any option to? We cannot pin actually.
Hmm.
Subham bhaiya. Kajal, VS Code already installed?
VS Code is installed.
Okay.
I'll just let them know what are the extensions they need for CPP. Anyone whose installation is over?
We can do one thing, like we can move ahead with our presentation and let it install. We'll take it at the end. What say?
Yeah. Okay, let that install. Where were we? Yeah. Okay, up next we have FAQs. So yeah, it's very slow. MingGW installation is very slow, but the languages are fast. I mean C++. Okay, so now we can have our code block supplement. Hey, I was not saying about Visual Studio Code. That's best. Better than code blocks.
Code
I've
blocks is
done. Can I
only for C++,
close?
I guess, right?
Yes, dear, you can close. But wait a minute. After that, I'll show something. After that, you can close. For now, just leave it
No,
like
no.
that. See, this
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
26 minutes to run. What should I do? एक मिनट इसका आंसर हम देंगे. फेंक दीजिए मैकबुक. किसी काम का नहीं है. सुहाग, that's शुभम भैया. Okay, so how? Okay, so moving on, we can now we can do a Q&A. So if you have any questions regarding this session, you can ask us in the chat box. And for the people who have done, please wait for a few minutes. After the Q&A, we will again go back to the installation. Yes, we'll be learning C++, and guess who will be the teacher? I have a question. How do you feel doing something for the community? Doing something for the community, to be honest, it feels good. Like, I actually like to help people, and helping so many of them, it's like a dream come true. Kajal, what? Shall I say? Sanyukta, yes, you can say.
This is the answer of your question. Like, who is the teacher?
Oh, who is
Yeah.
the teacher?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm not the teacher.
Here, no one is teacher.
Sanyukta said.
Yes, Anyukta got the answer. Chalo, clap for her.
She knew it already. She's from his team.
Oh,
Aman
bus.
Dhatwal, please no. No. I mean, we should not say it like this, but don't watch Aman Dhatwal's videos.
There is, yeah.
Like, if you are a complete beginner, you should never watch Aman Dhatwal's video.
Yeah, it's quite diverting sometimes. Confusing.
Don't watch Kunal, please. That's
That's different
more
level.
like a controversy than teaching. You
Yeah.
should focus on teaching more.
Yeah, Harry is quite
Harry
good.
is okay. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can watch Harry's.
Okay, right now you should watch Code Chef. Okay, just focus on that.
Yeah, you can watch Code Chef.
Free
Why to
Code
not
Camp
watch Aman
Jindabad.
Bhaiya's videos? Actually, Aman Dhattarwal is quite diverting, and he does not goes deep into any topic. He just he's like, I just have to do this topic, so I'm doing it. He does not explains it. He has none of his videos have all the things like everything in deep. Harry's videos are in deep. You can go through them. Physics wala does not teaches coding. Divanshu.
Harry is
You
not cringe.
Yes, no, you may find him cringy, but his content
Yeah.
is good.
Yeah, and Abdul Bari is
Abdul
OP.
is best.
OP,
He's
yeah.
best.
You can
Free
check
Code
out.
Camp is also good.
That is more than good. Free Code Camp is like it is own platform. Like
Acha, why
I am
not to watch
sorry
Aman
bringing this.
Bhaiya's videos? Who asked this question? May I know your full name?
Why एक minute कौन है? He's the same guy. Leave it.
Okay.
NPTL Swapnil. NPTL is something where we
Uh,
got like नींद आ जाता है भाई इसको पढ़ के.
हाँ.
Exactly. Okay, I guess we should start. Pawan, you want to go ahead?
Yeah, so many of you were thinking like why we are starting with C++ only, why not C or Java or any other language? So do any one of you want to guess something? Anything, you can unmute or you can also type in chat. So like it's a mother language. Actually C is the mother language, you can say it, but not C++. Okay, anyone else? Competitive coding. Okay, so basically you can do CP in any language, whatever language you wish for, whatever language you feel comfortable. You don't just have to follow CPP or Python. Okay, C++ have STL. Even Python have many libraries. Okay, what would do with the fields where I can apply CPP? Okay, I will come to this later. C++ is fast for competitive coding. Actually, when you will do CP now, you will get a different timing for different languages. Like for a question, if you are getting like say 1 second for C++, so you might get 3 or even like 3 or 4 seconds for that Python. So it depends. So it's not like that you actually need to do CP in C++ only. You can choose any of the language. Multitasking C++. Okay. Compiler is faster. Yeah, C++ is faster than Python. CP in PHP. Okay. Okay, so why we are using CPP? Because first of all, it's an object-oriented language. Like we can do object-oriented programming in this. You will learn to know like what object orientation is later. We will cover that, and also like you can go with Java too, because Java is also an object orientation language, and also Python go for OOP. But the thing is Python is very slow and Java and CPP are fast, but Java is actually a little bit lengthy, so I prefer to go with CPP. And also yeah, and also if you are like uh, willing to go for DSA, like many of you were asking about DSA in the form. So C is the best language for DSA, someone mentioned, but the problem with C is that it does not support OOP. It does not support object orientation. So C++ comes as a best option for object orientation and also for that DSA. Okay, why are we still stuck with Aman Bhaiya? Okay, I can't get it. So, any other question? Type anyone.
Yeah, any question around this one, which Pawan discussed, like around languages, why to choose this language and why not to choose that? Okay, I guess we can move on to next slide. Sohag can take it.
Okay, before moving on to the next slide, once we can check if our installation is complete. So it's over. I hope for others also your installation is complete. If your installation is complete, just click on close and then you will see this pop up, and it will say processed 113 items. No, not yet. Completed. Okay, for people.
Okay, Kajal, you can just do it. We'll take care at the end.
Yeah.
There is nothing more to do, like there are few steps.
Yeah,
Or
few
okay, okay.
steps are
Wait,
there.
we can take questions also, and then you can like let FAQs get finished.
I think
Yeah.
we should run a program and show them like just a simple
No, I actually wanted to show them this command prompt,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean,
how to
like,
check the installation.
okay. Yeah, that works as well, but I think you should show them how to run one simple statement. Where's the
One
run
simple
button?
statement.
How to create
Okay,
a
let it
And
first install. Like they have not yet
yeah,
installed, I guess.
yeah. I'm just saying like
it's
when
still going on.
Mhm.
Please change your internet provider. Yeah, Shubham Bhaiya is opening a new company. He'll provide
No, no,
internet.
see, no, no, he is sponsoring us for the internet as he's
Yeah,
from
that will
CodeSafe.
be
So
much better.
CodeSafe is sponsoring our events for internet. Bye. Okay. Okay, let's move on to next question.
Okay, so moving on to the next slide.
So,
yeah.
Over to you.
Okay, so this was a huge confusion in the community that uh, GDSC is conducting their events on development and you guys are conducting this workshop, then what we should join? Like we can't be at two places at one time, right? So I've just created a simple if else type of statement. So if you are familiar with programming, you would be able to understand what's this. And I think first semester, first year people are already learning Python. So I think this should be understandable to you. So if you're familiar with programming, then you'd have to ask yourself, do you want to learn C++? If the answer is yes, then you'd join with us. If you don't want to learn C++, then that's fine. You'd join with GDSC and do whatever they want to do with you. And if you're of course unfamiliar with programming, then there's no point in joining GDSC because if you even don't know how to program a simple statement, then how do you develop a software? So in that case, you'd join with us. I hope that's clear. But if you still have questions, then please drop. We need to like clear this confusion by today. So tomorrow no one comes and asks like 5 minutes left before the workshop. Who should we join? There are two workshops at the same time. So if you have questions, then please ask. We need to clear
yeah,
this.
this one is the most confusing. Like,
Uh, as I said, if you can be at two places at one time, then sure. But I don't think.
can't we join both of them? Of course, Hemant, but there are some time where our time is colliding. So yeah, so there you need to choose one only. Like which one? Yeah, time classes. So
Exactly,
there
that's
you
what I'm
need to
saying.
choose one.
So if you'd have to ask yourself that if you want, what is your preference? You want to do C++, learn C++, or if you already know C++, then why you do learn it? You would go for development. And if you don't know C++, then you'd join with us. And if you even don't know C++ and want to do development, then do that. But if you still want to do both, then find a way to divide yourself, I guess. Go contact Doraemon somehow. No, we don't have a WhatsApp group,
Is
but
there
we
any
have a
WhatsApp group? So we have a Discord.
yeah, we have a Discord group.
You can join our Discord.
We'll be making a separate section for Coordinate in our Discord server. You can join Discord.
Yeah, it's already there. What happened to you, Avinash? Like now, what I can do?
I think his installation is complete and he's already exhausted. Okay.
All right, done, I guess.
Now, Sohag, you can continue with this one.
I think
Yes, it's already answered.
already answered by Pawan, so I think
Hmm. Yeah, Hemant, then you can go ahead. Like, go ahead with the Android development. Like, there is no way to waste your time here. Like, it's for totally beginners, for absolute beginner people or participants, I can say. So yeah,
In that
you
case,
can, but
if
you
he
can
is
participate in contest.
see
Yeah.
if he is familiar with Java, I think he wants to join this for C++. In that case, you can give more preference to GDSC. Like if the time clashes, then you can join GDSC, and on the free time, you can anytime you can just join us. We are open to all.
Okay, Kajal, I guess we can go ahead with the
Okay.
installation part.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, if you have any question, guys, you can drop it on chat.
Since it's installed, yeah, you can drop the questions. And since it's installed, just go to the search button. Wait, first go to your this PC. I know where it is from. Okay, so remember just before installing, I told you to remember the directory of the installation. Uh, if you all remember, just give a yes or no in the chat. Okay, so once you go to, if you had the same directory as mine, then you will have to go to local disk C, and there you will find MingGW file. Okay, click on the MingGW file, click on bin. Once you enter this bin folder, just click on the path, okay, and copy it. This C colon slash MingGW slash bin. You have to copy this whole thing.
Paste it on chat also. I guess it will help them.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm pasting this in chat. If your directory was C colon slash MingGW, then you will use this one. Otherwise, you can use your own directory that was there in your computer. Once you have copied it, go to search button, search edit. Once you like write edit there, you will find this edit the system environment variables. Click on this one and you will see this window. Okay, if you see this window, just write a yes in the chat box. Yes, yes, okay. Yeah. Okay, once you are in this window, click on environment variables. Here you will see user variables for the name will be yours or your PC's. Repeat it again. Okay, Devdatta. See, once you have copied this MingGW thing, or you can also copy this message that I sent in the chat box. Okay. After that, go to search button, type edit, and click on edit the system environment variables. This window will pop up. Okay. This window will pop up. Click on environment variables, and then this window will pop up. It's still installing. Okay, Koina, you can come to me after this event. I'll help you. Since the others have already finished, I'll start with the installation process again. The environment variable setup process. Okay, if you have reached this window, just let me know. Repeat again. Okay. Once you have copied minggw c colon slash minggw slash bin, go to search button, type edit, go to edit the system environment variables. Then you will see the system properties window. Click on edit edit variables. Then this window will pop up. Can you repeat after copying the link, please? Yeah, that's what I said. Go to search, type edit, and then you will see this edit the system variables, system environment variables. Okay, after that, this system properties will windows will pop up. Click on environment variables. For those who can't follow up, don't worry. We'll take your questions on Discord as well. Okay, once you have reached this window, just search for this path file. Okay, you will find a path file. Click on this and then click on edit. Okay, after clicking on edit, you will see these files. Don't touch any of the files. If you do anything, if you delete anything, or if you like write anything on this path, your PC can switch off there, and anything can happen to your PC. This is the most crucial part. Okay, repeat once. Okay, once you have reached this window, search for path in system variables and click on edit. You'll find edit here. Click on edit. Okay, wait. First system properties, then environment variables, and then path edit. Okay, you will reach this window. In this window, click on new, and here you can paste and click on enter. I already have this here, so I won't be doing it. See, mine is here. Okay, then just click on enter. It will be saved. Then click on OK. Again click on OK, and again click on OK. It's done. I cannot see the screen. Farad, there must be some problem with your internet. Please check that. Yeah, done. Okay, good. If you have completed till here, just let me know. Please repeat after edit environment variables. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, after click on environment variables, then you will see under the system variables, you will find this path file. Click on this and click on edit. Okay, after edit, here you have to click on new and paste whatever you have copied, and then click on OK. Click on OK, and then again click on OK. Okay, Anirban? Okay. After you have done till here, then again go to search and write CMD. Once you write CMD there, you will find a command prompt app. Click on command prompt and you will see this window. Okay. Let me know if you have done all the procedures till now, and now you are at the command prompt window. Okay, waiting for one more. Yes. Okay. So here you just have to write GCC. Okay, I'll increase the font first. Never mind. Okay, here you have to write GCC. Okay, just copy paste the thing Manish wrote in the chat. Write GCC minus minus version. Once you write GCC minus minus version, you will see this GCC and the version that you have installed right now. Where is the command prompt? Nirakshi, go to the search button, write CMD, and you will see this command prompt app. Okay. After the session, yeah. Okay, let us go to the yeah. Okay, let us know if you can see the version of the GCC you have installed. Done. Okay, that's great. You can also try this, I guess. Oh, sorry. Yeah. You can also write G++ minus minus version. You will see the G++ version. Okay. Okay, that's it for the command prompt. I shall move on now. Now, once you have done this, yeah, go to Visual Studio Code. Once you have completed this MingGW thing, go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, don't see this. Wait, sorry. That was just a linked list problem. What can I? Okay, wait. Let's go to here.
अरे ओपन न्यू विंडो करो, देख के डर जाएंगे लोग. ये सब मत खोल दिया करो, हम भी डर जा रहे हैं. बताओ.
अरे मैंने क्या किया? हम लास्ट वही कर रहे थे. Anything else you are gonna do today? Yes. Yeah, we are going to set up the VS Code for CPP. Okay, now if you have done everything till now open VS Code. Even if MingGW is not installed, open VS Code. Because I already showed you how to install it. So I hope everyone has installed VS Code. Open VS Code. You would be seeing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only the top 5 things here. Like only the top 5 icons. These are all I have installed later on. If you are seeing this, just write a yes. Yes, okay. Go to this last one, this boxes. You have to open Python. You don't have to open Python. You don't have to open MingGW. Sakil, you have to open Visual Studio Code. The app that I told you to install in the beginning of this whole session. Okay, after that, you will be seeing this getting started window. Go to these boxes and you will see this small bar at the side, left side of your screen. Okay, that's good. Once you see this, please let me know. And don't see this actually. Wait. Yes, okay. In the search button, type C++ IntelliSense. Okay. I have been using these before. Okay, that's great, Sakil. In the search button, in the search bar, type C++ IntelliSense and click on C++ IntelliSense. That's the first thing you get. Okay, wait. Don't just wait. Just type C++ and you will see C/C++. Go to that one. You will get a whole package there. This is the extension pack of C and C++. This includes IntelliSense, debugging, and code browsing.
Yeah, this extension is from Microsoft, so just install
Yeah.
this one, and another one is Code Runner.
Yes. This is all I got in this. Okay. After doing this, type Code Runner and you will see this one at the top. Click on this and install this as well. .runner. Okay, Shayan. Now you have to install Code Runner. After installing both, you can just let me know. Then we will try executing a program. Done, done, done. Okay, I expect more done. Okay, so now we can move on to. Okay, now open a folder here. Go to this file thing, file icon. Then open a folder. You can open any folder in your PC or you can create a new folder and open it. I'll be opening one of my, wait, what is this? Oh, BGW is installed here. Wait, I'll open this one. Okay, डरना मत प्लीज, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है वैसे. Okay, so what name we can, okay, we can give it a test.cpp. Click, okay, after installing, open any folder. Then after you have opened the folder, you will see this. You will when you are like browsing your mouse. When you're bringing your mouse here, click on this new file button. Write the name of the file with the extension .cpp. Can you repeat? Okay, after you have installed everything, open any folder in your PC. Okay, then go to this new file. Click on this new file and give any name .cpp. Like I have given test.cpp. You can give any name .cpp. Okay, and I'll be pasting a code there in the chat box. You will have to run it and tell me what do you see in the output. क्या हो रहा है? एक मिनट. Please repeat once. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay. See, after you have installed everything, come to this file section, Explorer section. Then you will see an open folder button. Click on that. Actually, Hello World can be printed without that code. Like you need Code Runner, but Hello World is the very basic one. I want to test whether your all the basic packages are working or not. So after you have clicked on this Explorer, you will find Open Folder button. Click on that Open Folder. Yeah, click on that Open Folder button. Open any folder. Click on this New File button. Type any name .cpp, and then you can just copy this code I'm pasting in the chat box. Copy paste this code in your IDE. Then click on Run button. Run button is here in the top right corner. Once you click on the Run button, you will see the output as 15. Just let me know you are seeing this output. If you are not seeing this output, then come to us in our Discord server. We will help you out. Manish, can you please again paste the Discord server's link? Hello, Manish.
Yeah, I'm pasting. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, it's working, then it's good. You have installed it correctly. And for the ones who have not, who could not install it because of late network or anything, you can approach me, Pawan, Suhag, or Manish anytime. We will help you. And I hope
Actually, Kajal,
this video
just a
will be
second.
uploaded, right?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, so I am telling like don't reach out on DM. There are channels like discussions or doubt solving channels are there. So just reach out there so that if few people have common doubts, it get solved there only. Okay. So if you will reach us on DM, there are lots of DMs first of all, and so it will take time to solve it individually. So it's good that you will drop your doubts on the channels, so everyone get benefited with that. Thank you. Okay, Kajal,
For the
continue.
recording, Sarika, we will be posting it on our YouTube channel, I guess. Right,
Yeah,
Manish?
but it's not. It will not going to done right now. So do attend our live sessions. It will take around one
Yeah.
week around. So
YouTube channel. You will
we will
get the
share
link.
everything.
Yeah.
Don't
We'll
worry.
share everything after this session in the Discord server. Now, if you have now after, okay, one more thing. Okay, one more thing. I have to say, if you are not getting your output in this terminal, then go to settings and click on the setting button, then go to settings once. Anyone is there who is not getting this output in the terminal? I'm clicking on the run button, but the result is showing in, yeah, exactly. What's your name? Shupratik, do as I say, just like right now what I'm saying, just do that. Go to the settings button and click on this settings. Here, just write run. Okay. Once you write run, you will see this lot of things here. Just click on, okay, wait, don't write run, write terminal once. Terminal will be easier. Okay. Once you're at terminal, go to run code configuration and click on this run in terminal. Okay. You just have to check this box like this. That's it. After doing this, your code will be your code will run in terminal. Try this. Go to settings. Click on this setting icon. Click on settings. Search terminal and then go to run code configuration. If click on check and then you can run your whole code again. Just try this and let me know if you are able to run it in the terminal. I cannot find the settings. Nahir, it must be in the bottom left corner. Welcome, Shupratik. Nahid, just go to the bottom left corner. You will see this manage thing, like this icon, settings icon. Click on settings. This is the second option. Something like launch.js options popping up. Just
Don't
cross
touch
that.
all those things.
Don't touch all
Don't
those
touch
things.
all
Just
those.
cross it like this. Wait, I'll show you. Just cross it like this. Khatam. Nahid, are you able to do it?
Yeah, Kajal, I guess a few of them already did. So we need to wrap
Yeah,
up here
he's done.
because it's getting too
Yeah,
late. And
too late.
yeah, so if people, I know people are having doubts and not able to resolve. I have created a channel that is code in it category, and there is a channel doubt solving. Just drop your doubts with screenshots. I will take it. Every doubts will be solved by tonight. All right. So about installation only. Yeah. So
So thank you for attending.
it's still not how. Okay, Doel, just drop it on Discord on the doubt solving channel under code in it. We'll take care. Okay. I will be available around 10. So if you guys available, we can connect on VC. Not an issue. Okay. So we can wrap up here, and also make sure tomorrow is our first session, like day one.
Yeah,
From tomorrow, we will start learning. Uh,
yes.
our
And
profile
also
will be
fill the
starting from
feedback
tomorrow.
form we will be sharing right now. That's like your attendance form, okay? So fill it properly.
No, not as an attendance form, but attendance could be downloaded from here, I guess. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just as a feedback so that we can improve our content or improve our sessions. And also do join tomorrow.
Tomorrow we will be starting with your first lesson on CPP. So you must join if you want to learn CPP.
Yeah, here is the Discord URL I have already dropped. So yeah, I guess we can wrap up here.
Yeah, we can wrap up.
Okay, guys, thank you. Thanks for joining today. See you tomorrow.